Hi friends. I am Selena, your host. A heartfelt greeting to all in this brand new podcast show. Are you tired of staring at a cracked or damaged MacBook Pro screen? Fear not. iTech Xpress's team of well-trained experts are here to help. They use only original replacement parts and offer warranties for added peace of mind. With their 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that your device is in good hands. Plus, their affordable prices make getting your MacBook Pro screen replaced easier than ever. Browse iTechXpressing.com to know more. Alternatively, you can simply make a call at 626-777-4747. Don't settle for a damaged screen any longer. Visit iTech Express in Glendora and get your device looking like new again. Thanks for tuning into today's episode. I will come back soon with another episode, so stay tuned.